guys, we're here at Grotto, and yes, I pictured with some of the mascots. I pictured with Bilderman, Mario, who was this again? Luigi, that's all. And yes, I was expecting to see Dion Scott Kennedy as a mascot. That's what the church. You know, this is in table 4, or Ethan Vinted, so it's in table 8 and 7. But here we are, we were done picturing with the mascots, and yes, this is a church. We are now at the back of the church. Yes, you can see here. You can zoom in. See? Yeah, and yes, this is a church, as you can see with the picture there. I think they printed it. This is the church. As you can see, it's really massive. My family. Mavi, aka my kapatid, dad, and mom. Anyways, yes, I'm gonna post the pictures on YouTube with the musics from the games, and yes, there's only gonna be 3, I think.
Hindi pwede, Mabi.
With kids at the back. Many people. I don't know why they're going back. This way to the holy. Look at the sign. Look at the sign. This way to the holy spring water. Let's go. Holy spring water. He says, or she. I don't know. I don't know if he's a she or he. Silent. Okay, so it's gonna be silent. I won't talk for now.
Naalala mo nung may upuan dyan dati, dyan pa tayo nagpipure.
Nilakad na.
Oo.
Nilakad na kami. Hindi dito tayo ako para makaligod. Cute. Dito.
Okay, well, out here. Holy Jesus, what is that? Oh. Holy. Let's go here. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Wait, I'm gonna be Filipino for the second. Mommy, ano po yun?
Doon sinot dati yung bahay ni Lola. Napag na movie.
Doon ba tayo? Pwede mo magbabaon kayo ng ano parang doon mag-fish. Talaga rin tayo.
Mamaya tayo doon pag nakita.
Don, I'm English again. Why is this made of stone? Oh no.
Sinuelas niya ako.
Yes, this is made of stone. But I cannot pick up.
Okay lang flat mo, pwede mo maglakad.
But I cannot pick up stone. I do not know why. Oh, that was a stone, guys. Okay, we're here at the next one.
So, papalang lang.
Look, see, there's like a pot kid. This was there was a film here, a horror movie, Lola's House, I think. I don't remember. My dad said about it. Now, yeah.
Kaya mo pa bang makay sa taas?
So back then, maybe it was filmed in 1989 or like 2015 or 16. Okay, 2015 is the year my classmate Carlo was born. Mine's 2016. And as you can see, black tan shirt, I think, or pink, and black hair. Almost everything is black.
Basahin mo yung first station.
According to that, that is the first station
Basahin mo.
of Philippine language. Si Jesus, in case of Filipino here, si Jesus ay hinatulang na mamatay.
Oh. Ayun, yun yung scene. Ayun,
Oh, so that's the scene. Oh, they're building. Oh, they're building scenes now, RFL. Life feels like a movie, you know. Huh? Okay, let's get up. Okay. Look, it's a book. First station. I can't read.
Baba daw siya.
Um, this feels like a horror movie, and I'm the first one to die.
Wala tayong kamay.
Dito lang tayo.
Lapit tayo yung bala.
Dito lang.
Don't be afraid, this is the house of God.
Mga Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Hey, look at this. Look here. Cool scene. Hey, look, it's Jesus. Amen. Okay, why is my phone why is my phone capturing it when it's literal not a really human? But now I'm afraid.